The development is completed. The prototype is on the table. Only the EMC test remains to be done. But sometimes there are surprises. As can be seen in this film, the radiated emission exceeds the limit. The source of the radiation must be identified in order to carry out the modification. An appropriate measurement device and a near-field probe with a suitable frequency range are necessary to analyze the board. In order to measure the fields with the highest possible resolution, a probe with a very small tip is selected. In this case, the Langer electric near-field probe RFE10 is used. The probe is connected to the input of a spectrum analyzer and moved slowly over the board. It becomes instantly apparent that the small tip of the RFE10 is not sensitive enough, and the displayed measurements are very weak. The radiated emission can hardly be identified. For a meaningful measurement result, the measured signal in the corresponding frequency range must be amplified with a suitable preamplifier. Directly connected to the spectrum analyzer, the PA23 amplifies the signal by 20 dB and at the same time protects the measuring device from overvoltage. As a result, the displayed emission peaks are significantly higher and very well distinguishable from the noise. The source of the radiated emission is now clearly visible. Low-noise preamplifiers from Langer EMV-Technik are available in various frequency ranges with different connector types and amplifications. From the PA23 through the PA36 up to the PA2522. The frequency range from 100 kHz to 22 GHz is completely covered. With the help of the Langer preamplifiers, sources of interference with very low levels can now be clearly detected. Additionally, it is now also possible to carry out harmonic measurement in higher frequencies up to 22 GHz. Langer EMV-Technik for a development free of interference.